All right, let's go over this, guys and gals. Why has market profile worked for nearly 30 years? Because it tells us where the wrongly positioned traders are going to be at. And if we know where the wrongly positioned traders are going to be at, then we are going to have great buy and sell points on retracements at these certain levels of market profile. Now what I have here is I have two charts. We'll go to the bottom left. I have a volume profile to the bottom left. You'll see green dots and you'll see red dots. The red dots are high value. It's a high value area. So 106.02 is a high value area. The green dots are the low value area. So according to volume profile at 0576 is the low value area, and then the high value is 0602. The chart next to it is price profile. It's more price based, and this has been around since 1985. And this one is, my red is at 0624 is a high value, the same thing, red dots, and my low value is 0571. Same thing as the volume profile, same color dots. Green's low value, red is high value. On volume, price profile is calculated different. 0624 is high value, low value is 0571. Then I move over to my Ninja charts. We have market profile for your own Ninja charts that works on all markets right across the board. My high value is the red, and my low value is the green. Okay? Very simple. Keep it simple that way. Low value green, high value red. Okay? Now let's make a trading plan out of this. You only need to learn two setups that are retracement trades to learn how to trade off market profile with my methodology. These two setups have worked nearly 30 years, the same exact order flow. What we do is I know that at high value or low value areas, low value being green on all three of these charts, are where the wrongly positioned traders are going to be at, okay, if it breaks below it. So if I break below low value, then I know the wrongly positioned traders are going to get caught because they are actually buying low value. So if I actually get below it, I know they're caught. I'm going to look for an ABC short, a retest of that, look for a red bar reversal to get short. It's called an ABC short. So since I knew the market's in a downtrend, I look at these two moving averages first of all. The magenta was angled down. I told you this morning I'm going to look for two sell points in crude. I'm not looking to take it long after the moving averages cross down here. So the magenta was hard down anyway. So I said if we break below 71, retest 71, we're going to look at to take short if J signal gives us a red fib dot with either a bullseye or a red bar pull-in bar. So what happened was we broke 71. The J signal over here had a red Fibonacci dot, and there's your red bar reversal to get short. This is called a number 3 pattern. A number 3 pattern is if you're in a downtrend, the magenta is a 50 moving average. The 20 is in the white. The 20 is a shorter term, so our 50 is the most important. It's called our dominant moving average. If it's angled down, we're net sellers. If it's angled up, we're net buyers. If it's angled down and the 20s cross down through it, you got a hard trend down. So we knew we cannot buy LVA. I said I'm not a buyer today in crude. I'm looking to, on the next setup, I'm looking for LVA to break, retest for the short, which we got. Target still down here at 92. Or if LVA holds, I'm still not a buyer. I'm going to let it market come all the way back up to number 1. What a number 1 is the first test of high value area, which are the red dots. So if you're in a downtrend, you only have two setups. Either I come back up to the red dots within 2 ticks and get a red bar reversal with a hard 13 tick to 15 tick stop, maximum 15, and look for a big hit down. If the market's too weak, then I can't buy LVA. I let low value area break. I retest low value for the continuation. The reason the number 3 is the easiest one to learn is this, with J signal or the black charts. You can tell once I got below low value right here, look at the market slide fast because the wrongly positioned traders were getting stopped out. So you immediately look for the retracement, first retracement short on J signal. You see how we got below low value? We get below it. look for an ABC short, retracement short. A number 1 and number 3 trade is a retracement trade, period. So the trade I called out this morning was a break of 71. I said the market will break its back at 71. That's the lowest market profile I had. I had price profile at 71, volume profile at 76. We had developing profile in your own Ninja charts at 78. So I knew if I break 71, I'm breaking my lowest market profile, that I look for it to break, retest, and I got a hole in the market. I got no support because I know that the wrongly positioned traders are going to be at a low value area. Traders that don't understand how to trade market profile. They're buying low value in a downtrend. You don't buy low value in a downtrend. You let it break down, you let it retest to look for the continuation. So the number 3 is just a continuation of trend. That's all it is. A number 1 is a deeper retracement with trend, but is a reversal pattern. I'm looking for a V top. If it would have came up to a number 1 at HVA, I'm looking for it to come up with a couple ticks, give me a red bar reversal for a V top. So number 1s are totally different because I'm trying to catch the exact high on a retracement. Where a number 3, I'm looking for a breakdown, retest for a continuation. So number 3s are continuations, number 1s are reversals, catching the high or catching the low with trend. And that's all it is. Don't make it any more difficult than that. If you can just, to have the edge in the markets, you must trade the same setup over and over again. In fact, they came out with the stat. They said you must repeat, okay, repeat anything over and over again, at least 24 to 25 times to have muscle memory. You must repeat it 24 to 25 times to have muscle memory. So to have muscle memory in the markets, you must repeat the number 1 or number 3 setup at least 23 or 24 times, 25 times to understand the setup over and over again. And then you just do it over and over again. The members in this room that's been with us almost 3 years, some even over 3 years, they repeat the same setup every single day. They don't try to reinvent the wheel. They don't try to go out and find the next holy grail. You don't need to. Lagging indicators are moving averages. We use it, moving averages only for trend direction, right? But we use market profile for the setup because that's what order flow is. Market profile will tell you where the wrongly positioned trader is at all times. And if we can be buying when the wrongly positioned trader is selling, then we're on the opposite side of the trade. And that's why 85 to 90% lose, according to Active Trader. If 85 to 90% lose, it's going to put us in an 85 to 90% win situation, according to the stats of what they came out and said of what we do. So when this method was brought to you guys, when I came up with this is my proprietary method. No one's ever came out with this. Nowhere in the world, no hedge fund, no prop firm. I built this on my own. I built it based upon my experience with order flow. All right? And it's strictly order flow that we're trading. You must trade off market profile. If I'm in a downtrend, then I sell the first test of high value area. If it doesn't make it, no problem. Let it break low value area. Let the wrongly positioned traders get stopped out. Take the first retest like we called out and then go for the next level. Look how the market continues to set lower lows. I'm not taking a J signal long here because the market's got a hole in it, right? The J signal short was right here on the number 3 when you broke. Okay? Does that make sense, Shakir? Don't make it any more difficult than that. When you first log in, you ask yourself, am I in a downtrend or uptrend? If I'm in a downtrend, I sell the first test of HVA or I let LVA break, retest, short. If I'm in an uptrend, then I'm going to buy the first test of LVA or I'm going to let the HVA break, retest long, HVA. That's it.